Hi there everyone. Today I'm gonna go shopping. It's winter here in Canada, so I'll just use this opportunity to make a video for you just so you can see what goes on in countries where we have snow. So I did not, oh my goodness, I've got about 6 or 8 inches of snow outside. Oh my goodness. I guess I might have to shovel some snow today, but the thing is I'm not in the mood. My tires, as you can see, they're buried under 6 inches of snow. But like I said, I don't intend to shovel any snow today, so I'm just gonna force my car out of the driveway onto the roadway. Alright, but it's a possibility I could get stuck because this is quite high, so I'm gonna need a lot of acceleration to fly onto the road. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a circle check of the car just to make sure my tires are okay. They're not punctured or anything, because if I have low tire pressure, this is the best place for me to find that out, not when I go driving. So anyway, I'm gonna get into the car and then I will start cleaning the snow. Alright, so I'm actually traveling with a shovel just in case I get stuck on the road, and of course I have my thing here to clean the snow. Okay, now it's cold out obviously, so I'm gonna put my gloves on. You don't know how lucky you guys are if you're living in the tropics. You don't have to contend with all of this. Just look around. Look, snow everywhere. Okay, hopefully my video won't die all of a sudden on me, but if it does, please like and subscribe to what you have seen so far. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the car and then I clean the snow, so by the time I'm through cleaning the snow, the car will be warmed up. Oh, okay. So this is a 2010 Hyundai Sonata, and let's see how many kilometers I have on it. 697,179, and it's this original engine and transmission. Now this little gadget I have here tells me that my battery has 11.9 volts, so that should be enough to start the car. It's been sitting overnight, so I would expect that the volts will go down a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna start the car. Yep, that's it. And now I can put try to defrost the windshield. So I go here, and also the rear window. That's it. So now I'm gonna go clean the snow. Oh, all right, so here we go. I've got what, about 4 inches of snow on the car, but it comes off really. This is light fluffy snow, so it's easy to get it off the car. Make sure your license plate is clean, because in Canada, if you drive around with your license plate covered, you could be in trouble with the police. Okay, so let's get all the snow off here. And by the way, if you come out to your car and you have a lot of snow on it and you just jump in there and drive, you'll have snow flying all over the place and sometimes cause problems for other drivers. So it's illegal in Canada for you to drive with snow on your vehicle. So do the best you can to clear it off so you don't have problems. Okay. All right. This is pretty good. Okay, so this is it. That's good enough. Okay, so now my next problem is getting out of my driveway, because that looks like about a foot of snow right there. So don't go laughing at me now if I get stuck, okay? Because it's a strong possibility that I'm gonna get stuck. Alright, one last thing before I go on the road. I want to make sure that I have enough windshield washer fluid in my reservoir, because if I run out of fluid, that could be a huge problem. Okay. Alright, so this is where the windshield washer fluid goes, but I can see that it's full, so we're good. Also check my power steering fluid. You can see that it's full, and this is the reservoir for the antifreeze, and it's about halfway, so I'm good. I also look for my right down in here, this is where the water pump is, and this water pump is original, and I have almost 700,000 on the car. That's the original water pump, so I usually check to make sure that the water pump is not leaking. So we're good. Yep. Alright. We're good to go. Okay, so let me close my garage door. And like I said, if my video dies, please like what you've seen so far and subscribe. Now, my next challenge is to back out of this driveway, and I really believe I'm gonna get stuck. If I get stuck, well, too bad, I won't be going shopping anymore. Get in, put my seatbelt on. The car is already warm. Set my rear view mirror, that's good. And now all I have to do is check around, make sure it's safe, because I'm gonna really speed out of this driveway. So I place the gear selector in reverse, clean my windshield, and now it's time to rock and roll. Alright, I'm gonna go forward a little bit just to give me a little bit more momentum. Right there. Okay, so now I put it in reverse, check around, and I'm gonna go flying. Okay, nobody coming to the left or right, so now I go straight out, full speed, full speed, full speed, full speed, full speed. I got out. This is a first. I've never done this where it's so much snow. That's about almost a foot of snow. So anyway, I have to check to the left and right, and then I'll proceed. Okay, so that in itself is a lesson for you. Now we're making a right turn at the stop sign. There's no white line or sidewalk, so I stop at the edge of the road, then check to the left. There's no one there, so I proceed. Oh man. So what this means is when I get back home, I'm gonna have to take out my snowblower and clear up that driveway, because chances are when I get back there'll be a lot more snow there and I can't get in, or else I'm gonna get stuck on my driveway. Alright, now we're gonna make a right turn at the stop sign, signal right, check my right shoulder, and stop at the edge of the road because there's no white line or crosswalk to be seen, and I can see clearly to the left, so I gently accelerate because I'm driving on snow, and now I'm on the road. This is a road, but it's covered in snow, so that's why I have to be very careful with acceleration. Okay, now it's a left turn at the stop sign, so I signal left. There's no white line or crosswalk to be seen, so I stop at the stop sign. Complete stop. Check to the left, and then I go hand over hand steering. And notice my tires are not spinning because I'm very smooth on the accelerator. And I don't have winter tires on, I just have all season radials. Now this is actually the first year that I have not installed winter tires, and the reason for that is because winter came so fast I didn't have time to go change the tires. So it's a right turn here. Is there the crosswalk? Yes, but now I can't see too far to the left, so I inch up and I make sure there's no one in the crosswalk. Now it's safe, clear. Now I go. Look at that guy, he's fighting to go in his driveway. Yeah. Okay, so I'm on my way. I can see the road, so it's good. The speed here is 40 kilometers an hour, and I'm at that speed right now. Okay, now I have lots of videos on YouTube, and they're all designed for you to learn to drive and to pass your driving test. All my students have used these videos prior to going for their driving test, and that's why they are successful. Now if you want to find more videos, any topic you want, just go on YouTube and type in or talk to your tablet or phone. Just say driving buddy system and then the topic you want. So let's say it's uphill parking, you say driving buddy system uphill parking or downhill parking, whatever it is that you need, and then you'll see them. Right turn at the lights, and we have a red light, and we're hugging the curb to the right and stop before the white line. Then check, and it looks good. As far as I can see, there's nothing close, so I proceed. The speed here is, I think it's 80. So, yeah, it's 80 so far. Yeah, now we have a guy behind me, right on my bumper. Yes, the speed is 80. But I have my video camera in my rear window, so you know, if they run into my car, at least I have a video to show exactly what happened. And this is a very good idea. I always have cameras in my car because you never know what's gonna happen. At one point I had 4 video cameras in the car, one on either side of the car, one at the front and one at the back. But these days I'm happy with just having 2. Alright, so it's 80, but I'm driving at